Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul, I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore, CMC Vellore, BSc Nursing Entrance Exam 2022-23. This is the prospectus for CMC Vellore, Christian Medical College Vellore, India. Bulletin for BSc Nursing course, College of Nursing CMC Vellore, Chittoor campus, admission 2022. So here I am going to give you information regarding BSc Nursing course from College of Nursing CMC Vellore. Admission is on the basis of entrance exam, and I want to inform you that students who are preparing for various university and institutes BSc Nursing entrance exam, so online coaching and important question PDF notes are available. For this you can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exam, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe the channel so that you can get the information regarding various admissions and jobs, and also videos regarding important questions. So this is the prospectus for bulletin for BSc Nursing course, College of Nursing CMC Vellore, Chittoor campus, admission 2022. In this video, I will give you information regarding important topics. Here phone number is given, fax, email, website. So here important information will be provided. Address of the college is Registrar Christian Medical College, Vellore 632002, Tamil Nadu, India. BSc Nursing course by College of Nursing CMC Vellore, Chittoor campus. The bulletin may be downloaded free from website. Website address is admissions.cmcvellore.ac.in. Essential details are provided in this bulletin to enable candidates to fill their application form for BSc Nursing course at CMC Vellore, Chittoor campus, admission of which are from November 2022. Please go through this carefully before filling the form. Application form is available only online. Admission timetable 2022. Access of online application form. Online application form got started from 2nd of May 2022. Last date for submission of online application with payment. This is 3rd of June 2022. Last date for submission of supporting document where applicable. Email attachment accepted. 8th of June 2022. Last date for receipt of certification from Minority Network Church Organizations, 24th of June 2022. Step 1 entrance examination computer based test, 12th of July 2022. Announcement of list of candidates for step 1, 2nd of August 2022. Step 2 medical checkup at Chittoor, 1st of November 2022. Personal interview and test, 2nd of November 2022. Announcement of final selection result, 4th of November 2022. Registration 28th November 2022. Commencement of the course 29/11/2022. Course details: BSc Nursing course at College of Nursing CMC Vellore, Chittoor campus. Candidates should have completed the age of 17 years on or before 31st December 2022. Maximum age limit of 30 years and 35 years for SC/ST. This course is affiliated to the Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Candidates should have passed in all subjects of the qualifying examination of the higher secondary certificate examination academic conducted by the Andhra Pradesh State Board or any other equivalent examination in one and the same attempt in the subjects. No improvement marks for plus 2 examination will be considered. Code is 201. Course BSc Nursing CMC Vellore, Chittoor campus. Educational eligibility. Candidates should be of Indian nationality or persons of Indian origin. Candidates should have passed the qualifying examination after a period of 12 years in the subjects of physics, chemistry, biology, botany and zoology, and English. Individually, she must have obtained a minimum of 45% aggregate marks in physics, chemistry and biology, botany and zoology at the qualifying examination from any recognized board, AISSCE, CBSE, ICSE, SSCE, HSCE, there is a 5% relaxation for PCB aggregate marks for candidates applying for seats in the SC/ST quota. Only women candidates who are unmarried are eligible to apply. Number of seats for open 7, 3 SC/ST, minority network and CMC valued staff quota 43. Duration 4 years plus 1 year junior staff nurse. Fees approximate in rupees. Admission year 47,500 including uniform, transport and book fee. Other years 24,000. Match fee monthly. Electricity 3,500 per annum. Match fees 3,350 per month. All nursing students are expected to serve in area of need within India for a period of 2 years after the completion of their course. Now there is a application process. Application can be assessed only online at admissions.cmcvalue.ac.in from the date mentioned in the table 1. The last date for online application submission with payment of application fee along with the supporting documents is on the date given in table 1, where relevant photocopy of SC/ST certificate and its attested English translation must be sent by speed post courier to the Registrar Christian Medical College, Bagyam Campus, Vellore 632002. The application fee includes a basic administrative fee of rupees 800 plus a registration fee of rupees 500. Application fee will not be refunded under any circumstances. Foreign nationals and applications from abroad, those residents abroad including SAARC countries will have to pay a different fee for registration. This may be sent in Indian rupees or equivalent currency payable at Vellore as described earlier. Applying from abroad, basic administrative fee, SAARC countries Indian rupees 1700, rest of the world US dollar 100. Registration per course, SAARC countries Indian rupees 1700, rest of the world US dollar 125. The total fees applicable may be paid as detailed earlier. The selection process, all eligible candidates whose application are in order and complete will be issued hall ticket. They will go through a competitive process comprising of a preliminary computer based test step 1 and step 2, which consist of special tests to assess the candidate's character and aptitude. Interviews also will form part of the assessment at this stage. All admissions are based on enters merit. The college recognizes that merit is not merely academic merit but is in addition a collection of various other factors which go towards suitability to pursue a professional career. The selection process admission will be subject to any order passed or that may be passed by government, university, professional councils. The decision of the selection committee is final. The hall ticket will be available for download 1 week before the examination at the CMC Vellore website. Computer based test step 1. There will be a computer based test as detailed in the timetable in section 1.1 on the date specified at the following cities: Bengaluru, Bhubaneswar, Calicut, Chennai, Delhi, Ernakulam, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Kottayam, Lucknow, Madurai, Mumbai, Nagercoil, Patna, Puducherry, Ranchi, Salem, Thiruvananthapuram, Vellore and Vijayawada. The entrance test for Group A degree courses other than MBBS will consist of tests in physics, chemistry and biology, followed by aptitude assessment. All the tests will be conducted in English. More information regarding the entrance test and sample questions are given in Annexure 2 titled Information on Computer Based Test. Step 2, special test and interviews. Special test and interviews for selection to the BSc Nursing course CMC Vellore Chittoor campus will be held at Chittoor as per the schedule in section 1.1. At the time of step 2, Christian students who have applied under a minority network category will be given a test on Bible knowledge multiple choice questions. At the time of registration for step 2, original certificates should be produced for verification. Attested photocopies are admissible at this stage but not when registration for admission to the course. Announcement of result of step 2. The list of candidates provisionally selected will be put on notice board in the College of Nursing CMC Vellore Chittoor campus, College of Nursing CMC Vellore Kajitha Patrai campus and main hospital campus CMC Vellore as per the schedule in table 1. Candidates can also access their result from website admissions.cmcvellore.ac.in. So information regarding merit list, waiting list, withdrawal from the course, foreign national and residents, these all are given in website. In an Annexure 1, list of minority network Christian churches, organizations that may be recommended candidates to minority network category for admission. Information on computer-based test. What kind of examination will it be? Computer-based test consisting of multiple choice questions are conducted in English. See example at the end. Each question will have 4 possible answers. For your task will be to select the one best answer to each question. There will be only one correct answer to each question. There are 60 questions each in physics, chemistry and biology. 120 minutes total time. So 60 questions will be there, each in physics, chemistry and biology. An aptitude assessment computer based test consisting of 120 questions in general ability including speed and accuracy, and also a few questions on issues of current topical interest is conducted. There are 120 questions in general ability in 2 sections. Section 1 with 60 questions to be answered in 50 minutes and section 2 with 60 questions to be answered in 20 minutes. The syllabus for the common entrance test, unless otherwise specified, will be a mixture of +2 level boards. These are the sample questions for physics, chemistry, biology. Chemistry, you can see, and physics. Biology, aptitude assessment, general ability, speed and accuracy. So in this video, information regarding CMC Vellore BSc Nursing Entrance Exam 2022-23 is given. Students who are preparing for various university and institutes, BSc Nursing and other competitive exams, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974, and for the preparation of competitive exam, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Thanks for watching this video.